Well, we got a heavy, wet, shitty snow out last night. Some sleet and some other things. Truck with all tires on it. Oh, not to mention we got no ABS on the truck. That's how I got it, thoughts. Oh, it came through factory. Well, put the windows down a little bit and try and get some of this stuff off. Stupid left the truck out last night. See if I can get out of here in two-wheel drive. We're on a little bit of an incline with old tires. Oh, yeah. She ain't the greatest. Ain't like she was back when I first bought her. This stuff sucks. I don't know if this is freezing rain that it's doing now or what, but shit's heavy. I can tell just by the weight of it. Like when you walk in it, you can tell it's a heavy, shitty snow, so I don't know if it's going to come out. I think I am. Next year I'm getting snows for this thing. I got 35 ETs done definitely this spring, which I think I'm having somebody give it to me, so that'd be sweet. Not only out the gangers, but regular shields, machines, or however you say that. Can't wait, that's going to be an exciting time. My main concern this year is that I'm going to start doing some notes and whatnot. I don't think I'm going to have it able to be done where I want it up this year. I'm going to have the snacks done when I go out there, body work done. I'm going to do what's got to get done this year done. Next year I'll worry about the rest. Transmission's going to be done in it. Just for bulletproof. All that fun stuff. Roads are not as bad as I thought they would be, but I think up north they're going to get worse. So, only one way to find out. Hey, we got heat in the truck, guys. Because of this weird rain, snow, whatever. Mix that I'm driving in. The steering feels weird in this truck. Really weird. Yep, I got no power brakes or steering. I like my buddies. Now I got an hour ago, but well, an hour and 20 minutes, before I got dry roads. It takes me about half an hour, 45 minutes, so I got plenty of time. I'm leaving time this time for getting my coffee and let this thing dry off some on the way up there. So it ain't pouring over more faster than that's work on this truck. Which sucks so much that I'm going to have to do training lines on this, and I'll get a video when I get back home. I don't know if you guys can hear me that well due to the drone at like 1600 RPM or so. We birds taking it easy, I don't blame them. Yeah, take her easy in this like that. Bop, 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 weather sucks again. Well, the advantage about living up in the Northeast, that's for one day, I'm sure. Like, I don't know if I'm on black ice or if I'm on wet roads, because it's got that shine like black ice, but so it's just standing in the water, which is sweet. Might not be a bad ride after all. damn outside, I tell you. It's probably 36, 37 eyes. Damn. Real damn. I'll probably come down. I've been sick this week. I can't be sick anymore this year, guys. So I'm starting to work out again. Probably a few more irons tonight. Make me feel better. Yes, sir.
She said it's got a shot of a little bit of everything.